Toilets. They're known as many things. The dunny, the throne, the crapper, the thunderbox, the list goes on. Believe it or not, there's actually a lot you need to know about the humble toilet suite. Get the wrong one, you literally can be up shit.
Cherie, that's a display toilet.
Hey, you've got bigger problems. You're out of toilet paper. Toilets are one of those things in life that most people really don't think about until they need to buy one. But there's actually a lot you need to know. Now, first up, toilets have evolved, and I mean seriously. We've got smart toilets, heated seats, UV illuminated bowls to kill germs, self-cleaning toilets, you've gotta love that. So when it comes to tech, the sky's really the limit. But one thing is key, your toilet should never ever be the feature of your bathroom. Do your best so your toilet isn't the first thing you see when you walk into the room. Knowing that, let's kick off with some toilet basics. Most toilets are made from ceramic clay, so they're often referred to as ceramic toilets. Let's quickly break down the 6 main toilet types, all found at your local Cook's Plumbing showroom or online. There's the back-to-wall or wall-faced toilet suite. Now, this type of toilet is really popular because it's the easiest for your plumber to install. The toilet simply sits flushed up against your wall. There's the close coupled toilet suite, which is very similar to your back-to-wall toilet suite. The only difference is it's all one piece, not two. For the ultimate in toilets, consider an in-wall or concealed cistern, just for that 5-star luxury look. And then there's the bidet, which is a wall-faced toilet that squirts water up you know where. Not commonly used in all countries, but definitely growing in popularity. Now, there's also the trap. This is the pipe that pushes the waste through your floor or your wall. It's really important to get the right trap before you go shopping for your toilet. Lots of homeowners get this part wrong. If you're demolishing your old bathroom and starting again, you don't need to worry about the trap. You can buy any toilet you like. But if you're keeping your existing bathroom and just updating it with new fixtures, you will need to look at your existing trap location so you buy a compatible toilet. There are 4 main types of traps. S-trap toilets are the most common. This trap pushes waste through your floor. P-trap toilets, this trap pushes waste through your wall. Skew traps, they are way less common. Definitely not the way to win design awards. And then there's the unitrap, which is a flexible trap that can be adjusted to suit floor or wall toilets. There are some limitations with this type of trap, so always check with your plumber first. So that's all your traps sorted. All you need to do now is identify the location of your trap and you'll be one step closer to selecting the perfect toilet. So there you have it, just a few tips to avoid any plumbing traps. Here's another thing you need to look at. It's called your plumbing setout. This is where your toilet is positioned relative to your wall, your floor, and your trap location. To get this right, go grab yourself a measuring tape. Measure the distance from the wall to the center of your S-trap, or from the bottom of your floor to the center of your P-trap. Most new homes have a standard setout between 140 to 165 mil from your wall, which is suited to most toilet suites. For any setouts less than 100 mil or greater than 200 mil, your toilet choices become a lot more limited. If you're really struggling with this, your plumber can help you work it out. Last but not least, consider the WELS rating for water efficiency. Just like your home electrical appliances, the more stars your toilet has, the more water efficient it is. So there you have it, a crash course in the humble dunny. With this basic know-how, you're now one step closer to creating an amazing bathroom renovation. See ya. For all your bathroom, kitchen and laundry requirements, go to cooksplumbing.com.au.